Hi, so guys, welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we're looking at Nasdaq. It's going to be a quick analysis just to see what has happened to Nasdaq, where it is heading, and all that kind of things. For those of you that's new to my channel, go visit my website, bottom left corner over here, where you can find some previous analysis, previous videos regarding trading, especially when you're new. There's also some nice videos on how to trade Nasdaq. I've done a little bit of a series about it, so go find it on my website where it's nicely categorized, or you can just go look for it on my YouTube channel. There's also some nice information about trading on that website, especially with the brokers, guys. Prefer brokers, especially when you're trading Nasdaq. You want the leverage, those margins, those spreads to be so small because of the volatility of Nasdaq. And with my preferred broker over there, these guys are brilliant when it comes to trading Nasdaq. So go check them out, and yeah, let me know what you think actually. So let us look at Nasdaq. So on a daily time frame, a lot of guys, when trading Nasdaq, they want to try and complicate it too much. But simplifying Nasdaq and the way you trade it, you need to simplify it as much as possible, just to not confuse yourself. So on Nasdaq, you can see this nice downtrend that happened. Now we see this turn in the market. Okay, first of all, you can see the structure being broken. So liquidity being taken out on that area over there. So price action hunting that liquidity area. So there was some nice buy orders over here as the guys sold down. Another area that's been taken out currently was this area over here. And then you've got all these areas in the top there. So will Nasdaq start hunting that liquidity and start making it turn to the upside? We will have to look and see. So currently it's been hunting that liquidity area. So let's just keep an eye out to see if that momentum carries on to the upside. 4 hour time frame, I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit. So lots have been happening on this 4 hour time frame. Lots of nice entries that you could have taken as well. So the first one is, if you look at this, I'm not going to go too far back, but you have a little bit of a swing low over here, and then you have a little swing high over there. So swing low, swing high, Fibonacci coming down very nicely, trading into that area, or retracing back into the 62 to 79% area, where you could have taken a nice little buy up, as you could see price moving up to that side. Then we had price going up and then started consolidating and then going down. So you could see the structure being broken currently. Okay, but we're going to come back to that now. Nice little entry that you could have caught on Nasdaq, especially after this consolidation, and then price breaking down to breaking that structure over there. Structure meaning this little area over here, creating a nice little fair value gap in the market with this bearish candle. And as you could see, just zooming in, this is 4 hour, guys. I mean, you could have taken this. Obviously, you take this on a lower time frame, but look at how price going down, coming up, hitting that area once again. This is just all patience. So price going down, you just wait patiently. You've got your area marked out on the chart. Price going up, tapping that area, and then start going down to down. It's a nice little entry you could have caught. And then we can see that Nasdaq is taking out that area at the top, at the bottom here. Now, looking back, okay, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit because we just looked at that swing high and swing low. Looking back, we did see something similar happening to Nasdaq. Okay, so also a nice little structure being broken into that area. And then we had a nice pullback. So it's this nice pullback, breaking that structure, and then we started pushing up. So will this happen again? So if you take your Fibonacci from this swing low to that swing high, okay, we're doing that. We do know that structure's been broken here. So we are mapping out this area. That's the area that we're in now. Okay, so will we see the similar situation that happened before, where Nasdaq continues upwards? Okay, so we're going to look for signs for any buy opportunities that will come our way, especially in this area that Nasdaq is currently in. All right, so keep an eye out on that. Mark it out on your chart. This is a nice key area. Maybe we can get some nice little buys going into this week that's coming. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm just going to show you a little bit, not a little bit, but just, little entries that you couldn't take. I'm not going to look at all these entries and all that. I did make some nice videos regarding that and how you can catch those entries on the lower time frame. But I mean, as you can see, Nasdaq breaking structure over there. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in because I want to show you that. There we go. So this is a structure area in the market. Price breaking through that. What does it do? It creates a gap in the market. Very small. Look at that. There's a fair value gap between this candle's wick and that candle's wick. Okay, you could have caught a nicer entry, a nice sniper entry on your lower time frames. When it comes to Nasdaq and you take your entries, look at your 15 minutes, look at your 5 minutes. I've told guys before, even roll down to your 1 minute time frame, guys. You see a lot happening on your 1 minute time frame, especially with Nasdaq. Yes, it is very fast because it's very volatile, especially around Nasdaq open. But the more you trade it, the more you look at it, it starts slowing down in your mind because then you get used to it. But in any case, 15 minutes is a very nice little time frame to enter Nasdaq if you are not used to that fast pace. So as you can see, price creating that fair value gap, coming down, pushing up into that area. Look at that, just hitting that fair value gap area and then boom, going downwards. So that is how you catch those entries, guys. But again, we are looking at this area in the market that we're currently in. Let us have a look at this high. Okay, I'm just mapping out little areas and we're going to look at this low currently. So we're going to look at to see if Nasdaq carries on downwards because it is in this zone. If you go to your 4-hour time frame, we're looking at this area. Somewhere around here, we're going to be looking for buy opportunities, possible buy opportunities. I'm not being biased and saying it is going to go up, but we will have to look and see what Nasdaq does. Will it continue downwards or will it create that retracement that we just looked at on the 4-hour to that 60 or that Fibonacci retracement and then catch a nice little buy upwards? So let us have a look. Let's keep an eye out on that and let's see what happens this week. So guys, that's all from my side on Nasdaq. Again, do not complicate it too much. Simplify your trading, guys. You know, don't have too many indicators, too many lines, too many all this. It's simple, guys. And once you start simplifying trading, it's going to get a lot better and easier to trade. So guys, that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. There's more trading content coming your way on my channel. Hope you are having a wonderful weekend, guys. Stay safe and happy trading.